Hello, welcome back to my travel channel. I'm Slayer2. Today I'm going to show and talk about route guide for one of Tokyo's most iconic landmark, the Gundam statue in Odaiba. I'm gonna show you a walking to Gundam statue from the Tokyo Airport station, the Rinkai Line. This massive robot isn't just a statue, it's a symbol of modern Japanese culture and must-see for a visitor to the city. Odaiba itself is a famous tourist destination, teeming with attraction, but the Gundam statue stands out as a special draw. Known for its massive size and impressive detail, the Gundam is a favorite among both anime fans and casual tourists alike. So anyway, let's dive into how you get there. We're starting our journey from the Tokyo Airport station on the Rinkai Line. The route can be a little confusing, so I'll walk with you through it step by step in this video to ensure you don't miss anything. For now, we are in Tokyo Airport station on Rinkai Line. This station is on underground, so let's go above the ground first. This is a ticket gate, so I'm leaving this ticket gate. After exiting the ticket gate, so turn right. So now, we are on the ground. From here, follow the road toward Odaiba City Shopping Mall. I think a lot of people walking in that direction, so just follow the flow of the people and you'll be fine. Currently, the Unicorn Gundam statue, based on the 2007 anime movie Suit Gundam Unicorn, dominates the landscape of the Odaiba. This statue, erected in 2017, it shifts from its unicorn mode to more traditional Gundam form, completely with dramatic sound effects. For transportation, Odaiba is accessible via Rinkai Line and Yurikamome monorails. If you are traveling from major urban centers like Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Ikebukuro, I recommend the Rinkai Line for its more easy and convenience. For those coming from the HanedaAirport, the direct limousine bus is highly practical. It's the easiest way to travel between the airport and the major district in Tokyo. I've covered more detailed transportation tips in another video, so make sure check it out the additional guidance. Although the route is a little bit lonely, this is the shortest route to reach Gundam statue. There's also a route that goes through the Odaiba City Shopping Mall, but it is very crowded. So if you want to go in comfort, we recommend taking this route. So we are going to turn right and up here. Once you've come this far, just take a breather. If you go straight ahead, you'll see the Gundam statue. By the way, I had some more video about the place to visit in Odaiba, so please check it later from my video list or descriptions link. Yes, I'm uploading many information about the travel in Odaiba and Tokyo City. If this is a first watching for my channel video, please subscribe my channel and check more another tips for travel in Tokyo if you're interested. And okay, here's a Gundam statue. The area can be busy, especially during the transformation shows, so plan to spend some more time enjoying the visiting. Right next to the Gundam statue, there has a Gundam cafe. This cool cafe has all sorts of Gundam themed snacks and drinks, and it's a great place to refresh after seeing this statue. Also close by, inside Odaiba City Tokyo Plaza, there is a Gundam base where they're selling all kinds of Gundam pramodels. It's a great place for the fans to pick up everything from simple kits to rare models. So, this is a route guide of a Gundam statue from the Tokyo Teleport Station. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and exploration. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends planning to a trip for Tokyo. Okay, so have a safe travel and I hope to see you in next video. Goodbye.